Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to freeze a video on PicsArt. Freezing a video on PicsArt can add a dramatic effect to your project. In order to freeze a video, go ahead and open up your PicsArt application and then go ahead and tap on the See All Plus button at the top left and select a video you want to edit. After choosing a video and imported it onto your timeline, select the video clip on the timeline and then go ahead and select the area that you want to freeze by moving the playhead on the screen. After placing the white playhead on your timeline, go to the bottom menu and select freeze. Wait for a few minutes and you will be able to freeze the selected area. As you can see that the newly generated clip is now frozen. So that's how you can easily freeze a frame on PicsArt in just a couple of steps. To apply the changes, click on the apply button at the top right and preview the video like you normally do. Now you can go ahead and export your video, share it to social media platform or simply save it onto your device's camera roll. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.